What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here, just getting ready to go into Costco today. It is a beautiful Friday afternoon. Wanted to shoot a quick video for you. I had somebody message me on Facebook Messenger today and said that they needed to desperately make $30,000 as quickly as possible. And when people approach me like this, I understand their situation, but I also understand their chances of succeeding in an online business. And their chances are very slim to none. Most people, that have these expectations, they never meet them because they're putting money above themselves, and they're also putting money before other people, before service, right? Your income is going to be in direct proportion to the value that you give to the marketplace and how many offers you make. And chances are you're not going to give that much value to other people if you're worried about yourself and your own financial situation. You see, if you are broke, you are poor, and you want to get yourself out of the situation that you're in, you need to change your paradigm. You need to learn that you have to put others' wants, needs, desires before your own. I think it was the great Jim Rohn that said, when you help enough people get what they want, you eventually get what you want. In other words, if you help enough people help their bills disappear, in other words, your bills will disappear. And I found that to be very true practicing this in my life, because over the past 5 years, I've been able to travel the world. I've been able to make a multiple six-figure yearly income. And I've been able to help a lot of people in the process. But I realized after my first 5 years of struggling, it was because I was putting my needs before other people's needs. And so I finally realized that, okay, I need to forget about what I want. I need to put my emotional, physical, spiritual needs kind of to the side. Yeah, I need to acknowledge them. I need to obviously fill my cup up before I fill somebody else's cup up. So I need to take care of myself to an extent. But when it comes to business, you need to put other people's needs before your own. You need to forget about what happened yesterday with friends, family, spouse. You need to forget about your financial situation, what your bank account looks like. You need to forget about all that stuff. And you need to put other people's needs, wants, and desires first. That will help you unlock the creative process, because as long as you're thinking about debt, man, you will have debt delivered on schedule till the day that you die. But when you can give yourself and kind of put yourself in a position where you can be productive, where you can be creative, where you can really think about that other person that you're helping and really spend time on that. Because I spend a lot of time when I'm driving around, when I'm in the shower, in the morning, when I'm laying in bed. Okay, what is my prospect's wants, needs, desires? What are they struggling with the most? And a lot of you guys obviously want to make money. You want to make more money, so you're struggling financially, or you want to supplement your income. But to do that, you have to go from the employee mindset to the entrepreneur mindset, and you need to be in a place of service. You can't be in a place where you want instant gratification. You got to get rid of the trading time for money philosophy. You have to know that the content that you put out, the people that you help today, will in fact pay you tomorrow. Stop searching for the instant gratification. Start helping people. Don't think about how the money's going to come. I promise you it will naturally come when you help enough people get what they want. Start giving people advice in your niche, helping them get from point A to point Z, right? Or point B, whatever the letter is, right? So that takes a level of commitment. It's going to take a level of creativity. It's going to take having the proper mindset. So I know that you can do this. So go out there, make a change in your life, put other people's needs before your own. If there's one thing that you can take away from this video, if you're making zilch, zero money, put other people before yourself. Think about what they want. And I know a lot of what they want is the same things that you want. And I know you know the real answer, but you're not willing to put in the work. And that's part of the problem. When you start putting in the work, then you'll feel more competent and you'll feel more like a leader and a teacher that can give advice to people. But you got to take that first step, be a practitioner. Okay, this is Josh Elder signing off. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in detail, check out the link in the description below for more. Regardless, hope you got value once again, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.